Hey Venus,
Hey Ro.
would you like to see some of the new products that are coming?
Ooh, yes, please.
I understand drag queens like the big reveal.
Would you like a good reveal? So,
Okay.
let's get started.
All right, so this is a book called True Colours, written by Mark Constantine and Millie Aquist, and it's about henna and natural hair dyes and hair dyes. But do you know what's really exciting about this book, other than it gives you way loads of information about hair colouring, is that it's printed in henna ink.
All of this.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is henna ink.
Gorgeous.
And over there in those neat little packages you have, these are the new hennas. So hennas are coming, they've been reformulated, they have less cocoa butter in, so they're easier to break down, to put on the hair, and easier to wash out. But they have the same fabulous colour.
Amazing. These papers too are stunning.
The story behind these is our henna comes from Iran, which is where the best, strongest henna colour comes from.
Right.
And these are all Iranian designs. So they're all wrapped in, and we even have a new one here, Vénitien, which means strawberry blonde. So it's the first time we've had that colour in Lush. So if anybody wants to be a strawberry blonde with very shiny, full hair, that is the one to do. So if you've ever been curious about hair colours and hair dyes and what that does for you and to you, you might be a little bit surprised, then this is the book to read.
Can't wait to open it.